This is Eric with E3 INNOVATE here in Nashville, showing you a really cool project, a very comprehensive project we just recently completed. And we're going to walk through the attic together. So this is only a 2 or 3 year old home built by a young couple. And unfortunately, they realized a lot of comfort and indoor air quality issues right up front, moisture control as well. And we came in and identified some of the underlying issues that needed to be corrected. Unfortunately, it became very comprehensive because the installation of the old heating and cooling system was oversized significantly. It was a 5-ton heat pump. This is a 3-ton heat pump. And they desperately wanted to increase the indoor air quality of the home. So we had to start with a whole new duct system. And so we basically removed the existing old system. We removed all the old ductwork, which was strewn about, hanging from all the rafters. We had to be basically starting over again with all new ceiling boot replacements because the ceiling boots weren't the proper size. Replace those with the proper sized units in the right locations. We have installed, again, a new Mitsubishi Hyperheat air handler. And we have a pure air filtration box and a UVC bulb on the coils. We have a whole house dehumidifier to give the homeowners more accurate control over humidity in the shoulder months when there's low load settings. And then we have a Panasonic IntelliBalance 100, which we managed to also hook up the boost function with a switch downstairs, so we're excited about that. And then this is the first time we've installed a Fantech pre-filter on the incoming airstream, which we think is a good practice because the filter inside, although good, is very small and gets overwhelmed with Middle Tennessee's contaminants in the air. So again, may not look like much, but this is a lot of work. And we had to go back to the basics of removing everything. We had just bare drywall below us, and we started all over again with a whole new duct design. At the end, after the duct systems were all in place, I came through with the spray foam rig, and I spray foamed all the top plates. I spray foamed around all the boots, and that really significantly improved the air leakage, air sealing elements of the home. You know, a whole new duct system that's balanced. We have the right airflow in all the rooms. Much of it has been buried. I've sealed the attic plane really well. We have a great Hyperheat Mitsubishi unit that will go down to -5 degrees Fahrenheit. And under those rare circumstances like we just had in much of the country where the temperature dropped precipitously, we have an emergency backup heat kit that will help out in those rare instances. We have Wi-Fi set up, and again, like I indicated, we have a whole house dehumidifier and a great ERV with pre-filtration. And then 20 inches of cellulose insulation has been installed to kind of tie it all together.